Fuck that bitch. Fuck your wife. Fuck your girl. Fuck the bitch that left you. Stop chasing. Stop begging. Fuck that motherfucking woman. Fellas, if you watching this YouTube video right now, I know that you probably fucked up. You sick. You chasing after your motherfucking wife. She done divorced you. Probably done left you. Your girl, you done been with her for 10 years, 5 years, 11 years, however long it may be. Bro, I'm sorry. Everybody else gonna bullshit you and lie to you and tell you, oh, in 90 days, if you go no contact, you can get the woman back and all this fucking bullshit. It's not the fucking truth. That woman just simply don't want to be with you no more, bro. And that's the harsh reality that you got to accept. You have to realize and you have to understand that there is no amount of begging, pleading, chasing, baby, I'll do better, baby, I'll change, none of that fucking bullshit that you can do to get back with that woman, bro. I know you don't want to fucking hear this shit, but it's the fucking reality. Ain't you tired of begging? Ain't you tired of texting her over and over and over, calling her over and over and over, wondering why the fuck she ain't texting back, or if she texts back it's 6 hours later, but when she texts you back, it's okay, it's dry, it's slow, and all that fucking bullshit? Ain't you fucking tired of that shit, bro? Ain't you tired of dealing with a fucking woman and begging for a fucking bitch who don't want to be with you no more? That's the worst fucking feeling in the world, fellas, and I understand it because I've been through it. The guys that I coach in my coaching program, they go through it. The guys that I've talked to, hundreds and hundreds of guys that I talked to last year on TikTok, I don't know if they banned that motherfucker yet, but I had 30,000 followers on there. All the guys that I've talked to, we go through that same shit, and you need to understand, fellas, that you're not bigger than the fucking program. You know better than the next man. All you can do is take this energy and use it as unlimited fuel for you to become the absolute best fucking version of yourself. Damn. Stop fucking calling me. Stop going on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, wherever you fucking searching at, trying to find some magical fucking formula or some magical solution to make this woman come back into your life, because the reality is, bro, she simply don't want to be with you. She don't love you no more. She don't care about you no more. She don't give a fuck about the family unit. She don't give a fuck that y'all been together for 5 years, 10 years, 20 years, or whatever it may be. All she know is that y'all broke up and she fucking wants out. Now you need to accept that shit, bro. Stop chasing after a fucking bitch who don't want to be with you no more. Don't call my wife a bitch. Shut the fuck up. Shut the fuck up. I'm calling her a bitch, a raggedy ass woman, all kinds of shit, because you need to take this woman off this fucking pedestal that you got within your mind. You need to work on your fitness, your fashion, your finances, your mindset, and your appearance. You need to take all of this and you need to try to maximize each bucket in your life, because it's in you becoming that man to where you will realize that the value is not within that woman, but it's within you. It's within you doing this on a daily basis / weekly basis that will allow you to start healing, because it's not necessarily what you must do. Obviously you got to do some shit. You just can't be sitting at home sad jacking off and shit like that, but it's more so who you need to become. You need to become a motherfucking man who's not ever gonna be in a position to where a woman even wants to leave you, or a wife wants to divorce you, or you begging, or you pleading, or you chasing for a motherfucker who don't want to be with you no more. You have to become the best man that you can be. When you on a shitter at night and your eyes closed, you know what type of man you want to be. When you sitting there daydreaming at your motherfucking job, or when you driving on the way home, or your downtime in the day, or whatever the fuck you want to do, you know what kind of man you want to be. You know what kind of man you need to become. And it's that man who don't get left by women. It's that man who's not begging for no fucking bitch. It's that man who can say, fuck that bitch, I love you, I'm gone, you don't want to be with me no more. I accept you don't want to be with me no more. I love you, I'm gonna walk away, have a great fucking life. It's that man that you need to become to make sure you never go through no shit like this again. Stop begging, stop pleading, stop chasing, and subscribe to this YouTube channel to watch some more of the content. If you're a successful man, a six-figure man, a businessman, or whatever it may be, and you're going through a divorce, a bad breakup, you can comment down below. Let me know something. Click the links in my description. Follow me on Instagram and send me an email so I can get back in touch with you.